Hi guys, welcome to US Educate Academy. Thanks for connecting with us. Today in this video, we are going to convert or we are going to compress a big file size video to a small file size video. So we are going to reduce the file size of any videos easily and for free. And now let's jump into it. And we are gonna convert the video which is known as the intro over here, and we are gonna convert this high quality video uh, and we are gonna convert this high quality video without any quality losing, and by getting into this method you won't lose any quality of your video, and you can easily compress the size of your video file. And now I'm going to show you the first method to compress your video file, which is by VLC Media Player. And you can simply search for VLC Media Player, and this is the link, and all the links and the stuffs are in the description box below, and you can simply download this by clicking on download VLC. And here you guys can see this is for Windows 64-bit, and you can download and install VLC Media Player. And as you guys can see, I have already installed VLC Media Player. So now I'm opening VLC Media Player, and now I'm going to select the media, and I'm going to go to the media section, and then I'm going to click on convert or save. And here it will show me file selection. You can select local files with the following list and buttons. So now I'm going to go to my desktop section, and I'm going to select my video file which I want to reduce the file size. So now I'll show you this video's file size, and this video's file size is 2.18 MB. So now let's try to reduce this video's file size, and now I'm gonna drag this to my taskbar, and I'm gonna put this video file over here, or I can simply click on add, and I can add this file by simply clicking, and I can browse this file and I can add. So now I'm going to click on convert or save, and I'm going to put this as convert, and I'm going to select to video for YouTube HD, and I'm going to click on manage, and I'm going to select MP4 or MOV, and I'm going to select the video codec as H-264, and I'm going to select the resolution as 1920 and 1080, and which is the HD quality, and I'm going to click on save. And now I'm going to select the location of my file to export. So now I'm going to select as 1 for after, and I can select on, so I can click on save, and I can click on start. And here, as you guys can see, timer is running. So now we have successfully converted our file. So now I'm going to refresh, and here it shows me that this file is converted. And now I'll show you the before conversion file size and after conversion file size. And as you guys can see, this is the first step, or the first conversion, or before conversion file size, which is 2.18 MB, and after conversion this has changed to 1.04 MB. So now as you guys can see, this file size has reduced up to 1 MB. So now I'm going to show you the quality drop level, or the whether any quality drop has occurred. So now I'm going to select. So now I'm going to select this, and I'll open this with VLC Media Player, and I'm going to mute this audio, and let's see the quality of the both video. And as you guys can see, there is no quality drop in my converted folder, and I have uh, compressed my file size at the maximum level and without any amount of quality drop. And now I will show you the second step, or the second method to reduce the is freeconvert.com. This is also another awesome platform, and this platform provide only space to convert, or the maximum file size is 1 GB, and we need to sign up to increase of file size in uploading. So now I'm going to choose my file, and I'm going to proceed to my desktop, and I'm going to drag this file up to the taskbar, and I'm going to drop this, and it shows me that my file size is 2.19 MB, and I should select the output file format, and I'm going to search for MP4, and here I'm in the video section, and I'm going to select the MP4, and it's ready to convert. And now let's click on convert to MP4, and this is an easy process, and it's uploading. And as you guys can see, it's uploaded 100%, and it's converting, and it's exporting. So now we have done with converting our MP4 file, and it shows me that this file is 384.81 KB, and its original size was 2.2 MB, and it's more than 2 MB. So now we have reduced our file size. So now I'm going to click on download MP4, and as you guys can see, I have successfully downloaded my compressed video file, and you guys can see there is no quality drop in this method too. And we have learned two methods, and these two methods do not make any quality drop in your video. So that's it for this video. Please like, share and subscribe US Educate Academy YouTube channel for more video tutorials like this. See you in the next one.